Want to run a quantum program on a real quantum computer? Let me show you how with IBM's updated quantum platform. Welcome back to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. IBM just updated their quantum dashboard, and today we're diving in no coding experience required. Go to quantumcomputing.ibm.com, log in, and you'll land on the new dashboard. Here you'll see your open plan, usage limits, and available quantum processors. Click IBM Quantum Composer under Open App. This tool lets you build quantum circuits visually. Just drag gates like Hadamard or C0 onto the wires and you're designing a quantum algorithm. When your circuit's ready, hit run, then choose either a simulator or a real IBM QPU. You'll get 10 free minutes of QPU time each month. Perfect for learning. Once the job is complete, IBM shows you the output as a probability distribution, a key part of quantum results. You've just run a real quantum program, and that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.